Hi, kitchen where we make easy, delicious meals.
Okay. All right, quiet on the set. Quiet on the set.
Quiet on the set. Hi, and welcome back to Barefoot Kitchen, where we make easy, delicious meals using the Instapot. My name is Tina Bear. If you are new to our channel, subscribe, like, and comment. We would love to hear from you. Today we are making a easy, delicious creamy broccoli soup. First thing we're gonna do is hit Sautée and get a spoon. We're gonna get a spoon. Everybody should have one of these in their kitchen. And we are using coconut oil. It's delicious. It adds that creamy, coconutty flavor and texture. Then we're gonna go ahead when the oil is nice and hot and melted. We're gonna add some onion, some celery, and all of this is gonna be blended up. If you don't have an immersion blender, use a regular blender and just portion it in, because it's going to be so hot that it'll blow up in your face. Blow up in your face. So funny. Sounds like a James Bond movie. We put a ton of garlic in everything. I hope you like garlic when you're at my house. So we're gonna have garlic. Now we're gonna add some cashew. The cashews give it a creamy, nutty flavor, because we're not adding any cheese into the mixture, so it gives it that little bit of creaminess. And then fresh dill, so good. It adds a brightness to this dish that is amazing. Then we're gonna add about a cup or so of spinach. It's gonna add to that fresh flavor and that green color. That's it, really. I'm gonna mix this all together. Like that. A little bit of salt. It's gonna need some salt in there. Salt and pepper. I always add nutmeg in my soups, but I'm not adding it today, but I like it. Then we're gonna add 4 cups of vegetable broth. Four cups. Squeeze it in. What? It's a vegetable sauna. Yes. Everyone in the jacuzzi. And then we have at least a pound and a half of broccoli. That's it. Oh, everybody in. That's it. Just like that. Then we're going to turn off Sautée. And you're not going to believe this, but we are going to cook this for 1 minute, because there is a lot of liquid in there. It does take about 10 minutes to pressurize. Then I'll get my immersion blender. Make sure your vent seal is on. I'll blend it up. You'll see what it looks like. Okay, we're back and we are going to reveal our cooked broccoli. Then we are going to start adding, so we have some coconut milk. I'm gonna add that in. Some coconut cream. Oh, a little bit of vinegar showed up to the party. I'm gonna add that in. It adds that brightness to the end. And then I have an immersion blender. And again, if you don't have one of these, then you're going to blend it in batches in your blender. So it's a little loud. Just gonna do it slowly, kind of loud. Okay, just like that. It is rich, thick, creamy. I could smell the cashew and the dill. I'm so excited. You guys are gonna love this. Now, if you like it a little chunky, a lot of people in my family like it chunky. You could go ahead and just blend half of it, leave the other half whole and unblended, and then mix it in together. It's so good. Look at that. We're gonna top this off with a little bit of steamed broccoli. Oh my gosh. And then I have a little bit of coconut cream. Adds that sweet coconut flavor. Add a little more. And then I like to squeeze just a little bit of lemon over it. And this just brightens up all the flavors, ties them all together, just like that. And there you go, look at that. So I'm gonna go ahead and get a little bit of that coconut cream. So good. Oh my gosh, I know you're gonna love this. I hope you try it. Like, comment, subscribe, let us know what you think. I know you're gonna enjoy this. Give it a go. Be kind to each other. See you next time. Bye.